Hyello. It has been a minute since I've done a makeup tutorial, so I'm going to be starting by priming my face. I am not going to be putting any like white primer or black primer on my lids, it's just going to be strictly the matte primer. But I'm coming in with a very deep and dark purple shade and then blending in a slightly darker fuchsia shade over top of that in my crease. Continuing that from the top to the bottom because y'all know how much I love my symmetry, and then blending it out a fuck ton. Struggling apparently way more than usual with my eyeliner. I definitely could have started by putting this over my eye to make the eye look stay longer and be darker, but honestly didn't want it to stay longer, and I had already put the other one on, so here we are. I am using it just on my waterline, and then blending out the purple line of demarcation with a color that's very close to my skin tone. Adding a couple layers of mascara to the top and bottom lashes, and then starting on the scarring, I guess you'd say. This I did with the same color that I did on my eyes. This is going to be the more fuchsia tone, and I'm just going to be putting a buttload of hearts all over my face. Some of them are going to have a tail to them, and some of them aren't going to have a close to the tail. This honestly just kind of looks like a bunch of ball sacks, not gonna lie, but when your face completely looks like you've been teabagged, time to continue on. And here's where it starts looking more put together and less, honestly, just kind of creepy, kind of weird. And that's going to be me coming out this exact same color, only on a different brush, and shading varying areas. That's a weird sentence. There really was no rhyme or reason to where I was putting this red. It was basically just where I thought it would fit, and then I would concentrate it in one area and then start blending it out with that same brush. I even came in with a fluffy brush just to further blend it out, and that takes me to the next part, which is taking that same purple that I put on my eyes and concentrating that on the portion that has the red. So doing an outline of where the red is concentrated and then blending that out. So basically it goes from very, very dark purple to a kind of darker pink red, and then it goes to the skin tone. And I'm doing that to every single one. Every single one. There were so many. So while I've got you just chilling here for a bit, come here often. If you do, definitely think about subscribing. To add some more visual interest, and so that they're not just, well, a bunch of random hearts closed and unclosed on my face, I'm going to be adding some white water activated paint between them and blending that out with my finger. For the lip color, I'm going to be doing a My Lips But Better with a slight pink tone to it to match with the red that I'm about to put in the center of it, and then blend out. It's going to give it a bitten lip look, and then as for the hat and hair down, and we're ready to go. We are now the man of our own dreams. If you happen to be spending Valentine's Day with the person you love, congratulations, good for you. If you are by yourself, that's really great too. Valentine's Day is actually the day St. Valentine was executed, so it really wasn't his day either.